welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I wanted to go ahead and film a New Year's Eve get ready with me makeup and outfit. I really like how this makeup and outfit turned out. I will have all the links for everything, outfit, makeup, all of it in the links below. And if you want to go ahead and see how I created this New Year's Eve look, then just keep watching. My family and I don't go out on New Year's Eve, but we stay home, eat some really good food, play some board games, and watch the New Year's Rockin' Eve. But there's no reason you can't get fancy on New Year's Eve, even if you're just staying in. It makes some really great photos and some cute pics for Instagram. Let's go ahead and get into how I created this New Year's Eve look.
Think I'm crazy, 'cause I've been on a mission lately, trying to forget you like we've never met before. It may take me another life to realize, maybe, that you are just the lesson that I wish I never learned. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know nobody. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know. Gonna show out like I never get to go out, now that you don't have my precious heart inside your clutch. Can't feel no pain, drowning in a bath of champagne. Now I know I never really needed you that much. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know nobody. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know. I just wanna dance, just turn up the music now. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know. When I get alone, I forget that you were ever here. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know. I don't need no nobody, I don't need no nobody to party, to party, to party. I don't need no nobody, I don't need no nobody to party, to party. I don't wanna know. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know nobody. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know nobody, I don't wanna know nobody. I party by myself, I party by myself. I don't need to know.
So that is it for this New Year's Eve look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys all had a safe New Year's Eve. I can't believe it's 2019. Crazy. I just feel like life goes by so fast. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I created this New Year's Eve look and some behind the scenes of my evening. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Happy New Year!